today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children, as you people know that we have already completed the lesson, that is Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon, and then a chubby little snowman. So today we will revise these poems first children, what we have completed in the previous part. The first poem you all can open in your textbook, that is page number 6, that is Sticky Licky. Yes, Sticky Licky. In the summer when it's sunny, eating ice cream can be funny. Ice cream melts and drips so fast, it's quite hard to make it last. It's so lovely, sweet and licky, but when it drips, you get sticky. I get ice cream on my clothes, in my hairs and up my nose. My dad says I should eat less. Ice cream plus me equals mess. Yes children. Here we studied some of the things in this poem. How do we get sticky with the sweet things when they melt, when they fall on our clothes, or when we get it sticky? How we feel, we learned in this poem. Once again I will read this poem children. In the summer when it's sunny, eating ice cream can be funny. Ice cream melts and drips so fast, it's quite hard to make it last. It's so lovely, sweet and licky, but when it drips, you get it sticky. I get ice cream on my clothes, in my hair and up my nose. My dad says I should eat less. Ice cream plus me equals mess. Then next, a chubby little snowman. The next poem is what? A chubby little snowman. A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a rabbit, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch, ate the snowman's carrot nose, nibble, nibble, crunch. Yes, there was a big snowman. The color of the snowman is what? White color, because the ice is white in color. So the snowman was full white in color and he had a big carrot nose. And one day the bunny looked at the snowman, the rabbit. It looked at the snowman and it said, the snowman is having a carrot nose. And the bunny was very hungry and it was in search of the food. So what the bunny did, it came running from this side and it took away the nose, carrot nose from the snowman's face. And it started eating it, nibble, nibble, crunch. So once again I read this poem. A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a rabbit. What do you suppose? That hungry little bunny looked for his lunch, ate the snowman's carrot nose, nibble, nibble, crunch. Here I had given you the activity on this topic children, but very few people have done this activity. Yaru activity madila. See, I had said you which vegetable did the bunny have for his lunch. Draw and color it. I told you to draw this vegetable and color it. And next, write down the names of these vegetables. What are the names given here? You have to write down, you have to draw the picture, color that picture, and then down you have to write the name and send me the photocopy of it. I have shown this in the video also, but very few have done, not all. So next was Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. So we have completed this topic already. So now today I am back with the new poem children, that is Gong. The name of the poem is what? Gong. That is poem 10, unit 8, poem 10. Unit 8, topic is gone. The name of the poem is Gone. Children, what is gone? Gone andre ಏನು? Gone. Gone andre ಏನು? What is gone? We use he has gone out of the town. He is not in the Hudod. She has gone to play to the ground. We say like this way. Yes or no? Mummy is there? No, mummy has gone to work. Papa is there? No, papa has gone to office. We say gone. Gone andre ಏನು? ಹೋದ್ರು, ಹೋಯ್ತು. Yes or no? So you play with some of the things, children, which we blow like air. We use air for some of the things. And those things, what happened? Suddenly you hold in your hand. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹವಾ ತುಂಬಿರೋದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಟಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಲೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಡ್ಲು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ದ ಬಲೂನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೈ. The things which are filled with air. Now you hold a cover in your hand, plastic cover, small plastic cover which is empty. ಖಾಲಿ ಅದದು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೈ ಸಡ್ಲು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅದು ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಲೈಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೈಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್. ಅದು ಭಾರ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ವಜ್ಜೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ಲೈಟ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ, ಕೈ ಒಂಚೂರು ಸಡ್ಲು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅದು ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೈ and go away. It will flew away. Same like that only the birds. How the birds will fly in the sky? With the help of the air. Yes or no? Butterfly, birds, beetle, all types of birds, crow, pigeon, parrot. Yes or no? All the birds will dove, sparrow, small birds, sparrow. These birds, they fly in the sky. But how do they fly? They fly with the help of the air. With what? With the help of the air. These birds, they fly with the help of the air. They need air to fly. ಗಾಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಹಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. They need air, breeze, wind. Then only they can fly in the sky. We see many different types of butterflies, different types of birds, crow, pigeon, sparrow, dove, nightingale, bat. Yes or no? Different types of birds will be flying. Housefly, housefly, then butterfly, beetle. These all birds, they fly in the sky. How they fly, children? With the help of the air. ಗಾಳಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಹಾರಾಡ್ತವ. ಹೆಸರು ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು, ಹುಳಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ? ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರಾಡ್ತವ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್. They have very light feathers, so they can fly in the sky. Same like that only the balloon also. The balloon, when you fill air in it, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನಾಗ್ತೀರಿ? ಗಾಳಿ ತುಂಬಿದಾಗ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದ? ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. You tie it. When you blow the balloon, after blowing the balloon, you tie that balloon. Yes or no? You tie that balloon. Why you tie that balloon? Because the air should not go outside and the shape should not be diffuse. So what you do? You tie that balloon tightly. ಆ ಊದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಬಲೂನಿಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಮತ್ತದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಶೇಪಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದರದ್ದು ಶೇಪು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಅದನ್ನು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ದಾರ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏರ್ ತುಂಬಿರಬೇಕು. Yes or no? And when you keep it one side, are the balloons safe in one side? ಅವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತು ಬಿಡ್ತಾವು, ಏನು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ? No. They start moving here and there. ಅವೇನಾಗ್ತಾವೆ? ಹಾರಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂಚೂರು ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂಚೂರು ಅಳ್ಳಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಬಲೂನ್ಸ್ಗಳು. When you decorate your house, what you do? For your birthday, for any function, you take the balloon, you blow the balloon, and then you put the sticker for that, and then you stick it on the wall. ಅದನ್ನ ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಅದು ಹಾರಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅದು ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಹಾರೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೈ. ಎಸ್ or no? It will fly away. For that you take the sticker and then you apply that sticker to the balloon. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇದು ಬಲೂನ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಅದು ಗಮ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So that it should not fly away. So when it fly away, we say it, balloon ಹೋದಂದು, my balloon is gone. What we say? We say my balloon has gone. So gone means what? When it is not with us, it has already gone. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹಾರ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? gone ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. We call it as what? gone. So today we are going to learn the poem Gone. Yes, children, you all can open page number 18 in your textbook, and the name of the poem is what here? Gone. Yes. So here, I had it today for just an hour. So here the poet is saying, the poet had it today. ಇವತ್ತು ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಇತ್ತದು, ಬಟ್ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ 1 hour. ಬರೀ 1 ತಾಸು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 hour. 1 hour. I had it today for just an hour. I had it today. Today ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಇವತ್ತು. Today. Second one, just for an hour. ಅಂದರೆ 1 ತಾಸು. ತಾಸಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ? So here, then tugged away by the wind's power. Then what it did? It tugged away. Tugged away with the wind power. Wind ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಗಾಳಿ. ಗಾಳಿನ ಜೋರಿಗೆ, ಒತ್ತಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಪವರ್, ಒತ್ತಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಹಾರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಪವರ್ ಅದು ಹಾರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಸಿ, I had it today for just an hour, then tugged away by the wind's power. It sailed off free. So what happened? He was holding in his hand like this way. Suddenly the wind was blowing so fast. ಬಹಳ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Then what happens? Suddenly the balloon slipped from his hand and it was flying up in the sky. The balloon was flying up in the sky. So here tugged means what? The wind tugged away the kite. So when you are flying the kite, ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಹಾರಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಗಾಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜೋರದ ಹಾಕೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಮೇಲ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ goes up in the sky. It starts flying up in the sky. Yes or no? Same like that only this balloon also, when the wind was coming full force, then the balloon, when he was holding it tight, but still through the force of the wind, the balloon left his hand. ಅದೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಕೈಯಿಂದ slipped. The balloon slipped from his hand. It started flying in the sky. The balloon started flying in the sky. It sailed off free. So what this balloon? It sailed off free. It started flying. ಒಂಥರ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. sailed off free. Above the crowd, high as a tree, high as a cloud, high as a moon, high as the sun, my blue balloon has gone. See. There above the crowd means there are many people in the fair. This boy had gone to the fair. Many people, crowd andre gadna, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. There was too much crowd. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ? ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ? ಫೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. When you go for the fair, there will be only 1 people, 2 people, 4 people or 10 to 15 people? No. There will be hundreds of members in the fair. Yes or no? ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. 1000 ಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಜನ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫೇರಿಗೆ. Yes or no? So, among those all the people, above the crowd, too much of crowd was there in the fair. The balloon was flying high as the tree. ಗಿಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. It was high. High ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ. It was flying high as the tree, high as the cloud. Cloud ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮೋಡ. Tree. Tree. High and then cloud. Cloud ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಡ. ಮೋಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮೋಡ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. It was flying too high on the clouds. High as the moon. Moon andre chandira. There is a moon. White color. You can see the moon. Yes or no? Yes. Moon. How is the sun? The sun is round. The moon is also round. This is sun. This is moon. And this is balloon. What is this? Balloon. Yes or no? And what is this, children? What is this? This is kite. What is this? This is kite. And what is this, children? This is clouds. Moda. That is cloud. And here one more. This is what? This is tree. What is this? This is tree. So the balloon, it was flying high as the moon. High as the moon. When you leave the balloon in the air, it starts flying and it goes and reach the sky, near the moon, near the sun. We feel when we stand down and we look at the sky, we feel that the balloon is closest to the moon, closer to the sun. And then my blue balloon has gone. And the boy is saying in the poem, my blue balloon, it has gone. The color of the balloon was what, children? Blue color. What was the color here? Blue color. And he says, my balloon is gone. My balloon is gone. Yes. So these are the words that are in this poem. You have to read these words. So the poet is saying, the boy is saying that one day he had been to the fair and there he purchased one blue balloon. What he purchased? One blue balloon. And then he had that balloon in his hand only for an hour. ಅವನು ತಗೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು balloon ಅವನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು? ಬರೀ 1 hour. The balloon was in his hand for 1 hour. He tapped away the wind by the wind's power. It sailed off free. Then he tapped that balloon with the wind's power and he was holding that balloon in his hand. Then when the wind blew with the power, with the fast, the wind was blowing very fast and suddenly what happened? The balloon flew away from his hand. And above the crowd, in that crowd, he was running to catch that balloon. The boy, he was running to catch that balloon. Suddenly what happened? The balloon was as high as the tree and the boy was so small. The balloon was flying up the tree. He could not reach that balloon. And next, he said, as high as the clouds. The balloon was flying nearer to the clouds. Akashada moda hatrakittadu. Can you reach the sky? No. Can Can you touch the sun? No. Can you touch the moon? No. Then we cannot touch the clouds also. So the boy was saying, my balloon is flying as high as in the clouds, near the moon, near the sun, where I cannot reach it. My blue balloon has gone. The boy says, ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಲೂ ಬಲೂನ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು? ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಮೋಡದ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಚಂದ್ರದ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. It was flying in the air. Why? It is a lightweight balloon. So the balloon was flying high in the sky, where the boy could not touch it. He could not reach to the balloon. Yes, children. Now, once let me read this all the words first. Today, today. Today, today. Hour, hour. Hour. Tugged, tugged. Tugged, tugged. Wind, wind. Wind. Power, power. Power. Sailed, sail. Sailed, sail. Crowd, crowd. Crowd. Tree, tree. High, high. High. Cloud, cloud. Cloud. Moon, moon. Blue, blue. Gone, gone. So this balloon was flying through all these things in the sky. So the boy was unable to reach the sky. The boy was unable to reach the sky. So here, children, now once I read this poem, you listen to me. God, I had it today for just an hour, then tugged away by the wind's power. It sailed off free above the crowd, high as the tree, high as the cloud, high as the moon, high as the sun. My blue balloon has gone. Once again I'll read. Gone. I had it today for just an hour, then tugged away by the wind's power. It sailed off free above the crowd, high as a tree, high as a cloud, high as the moon, high as the sun. My blue balloon has gone. Yes, so this is the poem that I have completed to you people. Children, revise this poem and enjoy it, and I will be in front of you with the new topic. Thank you, children. Have a great day.